Hello, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. This is bulgur wheat, a type of grain that is even older and healthier than rice and has been around for centuries, mostly used in the Middle East. Today, we are making a very traditional Moroccan bulgur wheat salad that uses a few vegetables and dried fruits to make the salad a simply super delicious meal option. Let's get started. To a casserole, add in 1 sweet potato, 1 small onion and 1 red bell pepper. Season this with a pinch of salt, pepper and drizzle some olive oil. Grill this in an oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then, in a pot, add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 cup of bulgur wheat. Stir this and roast. Once it starts to turn color, add in the following. Half a teaspoon of fine salt, a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, one teaspoon of cumin powder, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, a quarter teaspoon of ginger powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and stir this, mixing all the ingredients together. Add in 2 cups of boiling water and allow this to simmer for about 15 minutes until it doubles in size. At this stage, you can also add in the juice of half a lemon squeezed. In a separate saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. To this, we're going to add in 3 small apricots, a quarter cup of raisins, 3 chopped dried figs, a quarter cup of almonds, and leave this to simmer in the butter for about 5 minutes. Then add in a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix this all together and leave this aside to cool. When ready to plate, add in the bulgur wheat onto a platter. Then place in the grilled veggies in the center of the platter and add in the roasted dried fruit along the sides. Now you're ready to serve this. Enjoy!